Error messages in a vehicle often cause uncertainty for the driver. Typically, there is no way around visiting a workshop. In the case of an AdBlue error message, you must first determine the vehicle's VIN number. You can find it either on the dashboard or on the inner B-pillar of the vehicle. Then use a diagnostics tool, such as the Megamax X, and check the error messages. In this situation, the error code indicates that the knock sensor needs to be replaced. Lift the vehicle onto the lift and remove the knock sensor. To reorder a suitable new knock sensor, you will need not only the vehicle's VIN number, but also the OE number printed on the removed knock sensor. Afterwards, you need to enter the vehicle's VIN number into the General EPC database to obtain the OE reference for the knock sensors compatible with the vehicle. Two scenarios can occur. In option 1, the suitable replacement part is directly available, the OE reference and the number of the defective NOx sensor match. Enter the OE reference into the Hella online catalog, and the corresponding Hella equivalent will be displayed, which you can then order. In the second option, different NOx sensors are available, from which you must choose. Here, you must follow these rules. Never choose an older OE version than that of the defective NOx sensor. Instead, select the OE replacement part that corresponds to the OE version of the defective sensor. If the specific OE replacement part is not available, search for the latest OE version. Please note that in this case, coding or reflashing of the vehicle's software might be required. Afterwards, you can enter the OE reference again into the Hella online catalog, and the direct Hella equivalent will be displayed, which you can then order. When the new knock sensor is delivered, you can fit it according to the installation instructions and then clear all error codes. Your customer can then continue driving without any worries.